Welcome students in a series of decimals. Today's topic is fractions and decimal numbers. What are decimal fractions? Decimal fractions are fractions with denominator 10, 100, 1000, etc. It means if denominators are in form of 10 or 100 or 1000 or 10,000 and so on, then it is called decimal fractions. For example, 23 by 100, here denominator is 100. 703 by 1000, here denominator is 1000. So these are examples of decimal fractions. Let us understand how to convert decimal fractions into decimal numbers. For example, here is a decimal fraction 31 by 100. It is a decimal fraction because denominator is 100. So it is a decimal fraction and we need to convert it into decimal numbers. Then what we will do, we will just count these zeros in denominator. There are two zeros. So we will count two digits from ones place, 1 and 2. So two digits are 1 and 3. So after this we will put decimal. It means 0.31. That is our decimal number. Example, here is a decimal fraction 1704 by 1000. Denominator is 1000. That's why it is decimal fraction. Now we need to convert it into decimal number. So what we will do? We will count zeros. How many zeros in denominator? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 zeros in denominator. So what we will do? We will count 3 digits from ones place. So this is 1, 2 and 3. So after 7 we will put decimal point. It means in between 1 and 7. So our decimal number will be 1.704. Decimal fraction into decimal numbers. Here is 23,678 by 1000. Here denominator is 1000. It is a decimal fraction. So now what we need to do? We will count zeros. How many zeros in 1000? 3 zeros. So we will count 3 digits from ones place. 1, 2, 3. It means we will put point here. It means our decimal number is 23.678. Here I am taking one more decimal fraction 9 by 100. Here 100 is in denominator and here are two zeros in 100. So what we will do? We will count two digits. But what we will do here is only one digit in numerator, that is 9. So what we need to do? We will put one zero here because 09 is also equals to 9, doesn't matter. That's why we will put decimal like this 0.09. Of this kind 21 by 1000. Here are 3 zeros in denominator but in numerator there are 2 digits only. So what we will do for third digit? We will put here 0 and decimal. So it is 0.021. Next thing is conversion of fractions into decimal numbers. Now we will take some fractions, not decimal fractions. It means in fractions where denominator is not 10, 100 or 1000. Denominator will be a other than number. So like this 4 by 5. Here denominator is 5, not 10, 100 or 1000. So what we will do now? How we will convert this fraction into decimal number? At first, we will convert this fraction into decimal fraction. It means we will make this denominator 10, 100 or 1000. So here is 5. So which number we need to multiply so that this 5 will be 10? Yes, we can multiply by 2. And because we are multiplying in denominator, that's why we will multiply in numerator also, and we will find out equivalent fraction of 4 by 5 in form of denominator 10. It means 4 by 5 multiply by 2 in numerator and denominator both. Then what we will get? 4 twos are 8 and 5 twos are 10. Now it is a decimal fraction and we can easily convert into decimal numbers. How? We will just count this 0. Here is only one 0 in 10. So we will put decimal after one digit. It means here. So your decimal number is 0.8. One more example, but this time it is a mixed number, mixed fraction. So what we will do now, I have already told you that whenever your question is in form of mixed number, convert it into improper. It means 1 and 3 by 20 will be 20, ones are 20 plus 3, 23 by 20. It is an improper fraction. Now, in next step, what we need to do, here is 20. So what we will do? We need to convert this 20 into 100, nearby multiple of 10. It means in 100. So now what we will do, 23 by 20 will be, yes, it is, we will multiply by 5, 20 into 5 and 23 into 5. So that your denominator will be 100 like this and numerator will be 115. Now it is a decimal fraction and we can easily convert into decimal number. How? Here are two zeros, 1 and 2. So we will count two digits from one's place, 1 and 2. It means we will put decimal here. So your decimal number is 1.15. If we need to convert a decimal number into decimal fraction, so what we will do, very simple it is. If decimal number is given, it means 2.7 is given and we need to convert it into fraction, then what we will do, again we will count these decimal parts. How many digits in decimal part? One digit. I have already told you that in any decimal there are three parts. This is whole number part, in between decimal point, and it is decimal part. So count decimal parts. How many digits in decimal parts? One digit. So what we will get? 27 by 10. It means if there is only one digit in decimal part, then we will write 10 in denominator, right? Let us do some more. In this question, 3.37. Just count number of digit in decimal part 1 and 2. Two digits in decimal part. It means when we will remove the decimal, then denominator will be 100, which has two zeros. So your decimal fraction is 337 by 100. But remember, it is a improper fraction also. So we can convert it into mixed number too. So just divide in 337 by 100. What you will get in form of mixed fraction? 3 and 37 by 100. More. Here is 3.5. So just count how many digits in decimal part? One digit. It means in fraction, our denominator will be 10 when we will remove the decimal. So your fraction will be 35 by 10. And because it is an improper fraction, we can convert it into mixed number too. And we can simplify also. Just read the question into simplest fraction. In chapter of fractions, I have already told you how to convert a fraction into simplest form. Just we will divide by a common divisor. So let us take one common divisor. So what is this? Just see, we will divide by 5. 5 sevens are 35 and 5 twos are 10. It means our fraction is 7 by 2 and we can convert it into mixed number also because it is an improper fraction. So it is 3 and 1 by 2. Do one more. to make this concept more clear, 0.45. It is a decimal number and we will convert it into simplest fraction. So at first we will count the digits in decimal part. So it is decimal part and how many digits? 1 and 2. 2 digits in decimal part. So what we will get? 45 by 100 because there are 2 digits and 2 zeros in 100. So that's why denominator is 145 by 100. Now we will simplify it and you know very well how to simplify the fractions. It is very easy. How? Like this. Just see here. 5 nines are 45 and here 5 twos are 10 and 0, it means 20. Now it is 9 by 20 and you know that 9 by 20 is a proper fraction, so no need to convert it into mixed number, right? So my dear students, if you will face any problem in mathematics, what you need to do? You need to just do practice and you can solve any problem. Goodbye.